Good afternoon, class 12. Today we will start with the SQL functions part 2. Today we will try to cover numeric functions and date and time functions. See, in our previous lecture we have completed string functions, in which we have seen in string, trim, left, right, length, substring, mid, okay, L case, U case. Today we will see all the functions which are applied on numerical values as well as date and timing. Okay. See, basically these functions are categorized into two: arithmetic functions and mathematical functions. So arithmetic operators, arithmetic functions are the functions which are generally applied like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus. Okay. Mathematical functions are categorized into numeric functions. So which all are the numeric and mathematical functions? First one is power function. What is power function? If I say 2 raised to 2, 2 to the power of 2, that means the square of 2, which will be 4. Now in SQL it has given you with the features of numeric functions, which will give you the power of the values. Now see, 2 raised to 2 to find out is easy, but if I say 5 raised to 25, so I want to find the power 5 to the power of 25, so it will not be easy for me to calculate on my fingers. So this SQL allows you a powerful feature of numeric functions where you can calculate. So the function is power function. You can see on the screen the simple query: select power, in bracket two components you need to give. First is the base value, second is the raised value. Okay, so 2 comma 2 means 2 raised to 2. If I say 5 comma 3, that means 5 raised to 3. Okay, so that is power function. Next function, numeric function, is round function. Here round function is used to round up the number. If you want to round up the given number, okay, then you will use round function. If I say select round, okay, 2.58 something something, so now if the value 58 is greater than 50, if the value is greater than, after point, if it is greater than 50, then it will round up to the nearest whole number, so it will become 2.58 means it will become 3. If the value is 2.34, then the number will round up to 2, not 2.34 means 3. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if the point value, the value after the point is less than 50, then it will, the number will remain as it is, and if it is above 50, then it will round up to the next upper integer. Okay, then that is about round functions. If I say round up to 9.549865 comma 2, that means after point it will display only 2 digits. Okay, then again it will have the same rule: if the number is above 50, it will upgrade the number by 1. If it is less than 50, then the number will remain as it is. So that is about rounding of the numbers. Okay, the next numeric function is mod function, which will give you the remainder for a division. If you divide the number, so it will give you the remainder value. If I say 10 mod 3, 10 mod 3 means divide 10 by 3, so 3 3s are 9, so 10 minus 9 is 1, so your mod value will be 1. See, if you use division sign, it will give you the quotient value, and if it is a modulus sign, percentage sign, then it will give you the remainder value. So your mod function is used to return the remainder from the division. Okay, so that is about modulus function. Now students, we will turn towards the date and time function. See, date and time function is a very powerful and strong feature of MySQL, which will help you to extract the date, okay, system date, current date, the day. Then it will help you to extract the timing, okay, the weekday name, month, year. See, in a year how many days are there? 368. So if the month is going on May, so till now how many days you have covered in a year? How many days are been completed? It is around 168 days, 200 days. Okay, so that all will get calculated using date functions. Now one by one we will see all the date functions. See, first is curve date. Curve date full form is current date. If you want to find out your system's current date, then you just have to put select curve date. It will return the current date in a format YYY DD MM. Okay, or YYY format. So the format which you have saved for date and time, the same format will get implemented over here. If you want to display your computer's current timing through SQL function, then you will use current time function. Select current time. Okay, if it is a function, you have to give opening and closing bracket, end up with semicolon. So it will give you the current system time. If I say month name of current date, so month name is what? May. Okay, if I want to display current year, then I'll say select year in bracket current date, so it will give you the current year, that is 2021. If I say weekday, in a week there are 7 days and today is what? Today is Friday, so it is the fourth day. Your week starts from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Something is going wrong. It is showing 4. Mm-hmm. Okay, no problem. I'll discuss and then I'll let you know about weekday. Okay, then there is a day function. See, now today day is 28th of May. So it is select day in bracket core date. So it will give you 28. If I say select month core date, okay. So which month is going on? 5th month. Then if I want to find day of the month, in this month which day is going on, so either you can use day function or day of a month function, which will return the same value. If I say day of a year, in out of 365 days, which day is going on? So it is 148th day, so that is day of a year. If you want to find out day of a week, today is Friday, so it is sixth day of the week. Here it is giving correct day, week. If you want to find now current time, date and time of your computer, so it will give you date with time. Okay. If you want to find out system date, okay, you keep on setting the date, but if your computer is connected with internet, it will keep on changing the system date. So if you use system date function, it will give you the system date. Okay, so that is about all the date functions. So far what all we have seen is power function, round function, mod function. Then we have seen date function, day of week, month function, year function, cur year function, cur date function, sys date function. Then day, day of month, day of week, day of year function. Okay, there is also the another function that is called DateDay function. If you want to calculate the difference between the current date and your birth date, so you can use DateDay function. This is going to be activity for you. What you are going to do is you are going to find out details about DateDay function and try to execute the programs at home. See, now I'll just end up the lecture. Before we wind up, what you need to do is you need to execute this all SQL queries on your own computer. Try to solve all of these queries. In this, you don't have to create a table. Directly, you can make use of your system date. Okay, as well as you can make use of any numeric values. So that it will be helpful for you. Is it clear? Okay, have a good day. Take care.